I have just brought from you cordless screwdriver, and I think there is problem with its battery, and it doesn't charge. So it says that it should charge for 3 to 5 hours, but actually I have tried twice, one for 3 hours and the next for 5 hours, but it didn't charge. So I think, look, and no lights comes from here, look, and the power is not the one it should be. Okay, could you please advise me what I can do with it? It's the failure of the battery or some other reasons, because actually the package came very well, has no damage, it was well packed, and when I just first open it, you can see in my video with Georgian just comments, because I bought this equipment for my friend as a gift, but it doesn't work right now. So you can see unpacking video too, and this video actually everything is okay. And when I first opened this screwdriver, the battery was still low, but when I push the button, okay, look, see, when it's in the neutral position, it's lights on, but when it came down, now look, there is no light. So when the screwdriver came, it was not well charged. It required charging, but actually it worked well, better than right now after charging 5 hours. So please help me with this issue.